May the 4th be with you. Stick around to learn about the science of circuits and how to make a lightsaber without a kyber crystal. Circuits are a key important part of almost every modern piece of technology. They function like your heart, but instead of pumping blood, they carry electricity through the technology to bring it to life. There are many types of circuits, all of which need voltage to begin. Voltage is the force that moves the electricity. This flowing of electricity is known as an electric current. For this current to flow properly, the circuit must be complete. In the most basic form of circuit, it is known as a closed circuit. A battery or source of power will have a conductor attached to this positive and negative side of your battery, allowing the flow of electricity to move around your conducting ends. If this gets interrupted, the flow will stop. There are many other types of circuits that manipulate the flow of energy through things like switches and components. These circuits are why we are able to use electricity in so many human achievements, such as going to the moon and many other forms of science fiction that has now become science fact. While lightsabers are from a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, we're going to make one today with just a simple circuit. To do this, we'll need a milkshake straw, a CR2032 battery, electrical tape, scissors, and a 10mm LED light. These are sometimes hard to find, so there's a link in the description for where I got mine. The first step to our activity is to make sure that your circuit will work. Put your LED light over your battery. If it first doesn't light up, make sure it's attached on the right ends. So try flipping it to make sure you have the proper connectors to your positive and negative ends. Next, take your straw. Place the LED about 1/4 of the way up so you know where it's located. Put it aside, and then cut your straw at that length. Take the smaller end and cut 2 small slits so that your battery sits in the straw. Take your electrical tape, take a piece and wrap it around the tape so that your battery sits in the straw. Make sure you can fold back the tape and don't press too hard. On your longer end, take it and cut 2 more slits so that you can put your LED inside the straw. Now take this straw and place it over your battery so that the light will come on, and wrap it tightly with the tape. If your light stays on, you can try loosening the tape, or if you want to just leave it on so that your lightsaber stays ignited, you can also do this. You are now on your way to being a Jedi or a Sith. Enjoy your Star Wars Day, and make sure to follow the New Mexico Museum of Space History on all the social medias so that you can have more fun activities. Tune in next month when we do homemade ice cream.